Your Porsche engine could be dying right now and you have absolutely no idea. The oil sitting in your engine might be eating it alive from the inside. Thousands of Porsche owners have already made this mistake. Today, we are covering the oils that destroy these engines and how to protect yours. Let me break down the 5 specific ways that wrong oil destroys Porsche engines, starting from number 5 and working up to the absolute worst offender. Number 5 on our list is something called the air oil separator failing. The AOS is a component that separates oil vapors from gases inside the crankcase. When this part fails, oil gets sucked directly into the intake manifold. This causes visible smoke from your exhaust, can potentially hydrolock your engine when oil fills the cylinders, and masks other serious underlying problems you should be addressing. Foamy, low-quality oils make the AOS work way too hard and wear out faster than it should. If you live somewhere humid like Florida or along the Gulf Coast, water contamination gets into your oil and makes it foam even more aggressively. Overfilling your oil is a massive problem too, because extra volume overloads this entire system. A surprising number of owners misread their dipsticks and accidentally put in too much oil. You absolutely need to check your oil level on perfectly level ground after the car has been sitting overnight. If you track your car regularly or drive it hard on canyon roads, upgrading to a motorsport specification AOS costs between $300 and $600 and saves you from major expensive headaches down the road. Number 4 is excessive oil consumption, causing accumulated long-term damage throughout the engine. Here is something important to understand. Porsches are actually designed from the factory to consume some amount of oil during normal operation. Up to 1 quart every 1,200 miles is considered completely normal and acceptable on certain models, according to Porsche themselves. But when your car starts drinking oil way faster than that rate, you definitely have a developing problem. Worn piston rings or degraded valve guide seals are usually the underlying cause. Cheap conventional mineral-based oils break down quickly under the heat and stress inside these engines, and transform into thick sludge. This sludge gradually clogs narrow oil passages throughout the engine and restricts flow to critical components. If you do a lot of highway driving across American interstates and go too long between oil changes, sludge builds up fast in those passages. Once you start finding metal shavings in your oil during changes, something very bad is about to happen to your engine soon. Number 3 is bore scoring and cylinder wall wear. This nasty problem affects water-cooled flat-six engines, especially the 996 and 997 generation models. The piston skirts physically scrape against the cylinder walls when proper lubrication fails, even momentarily. You end up with increased oil consumption, loose smoke from the exhaust pipe, and noticeably reduced power output. Bank 2 of the engine, which contains cylinders 4 through 6, gets hit the hardest because of how heat distributes unevenly through the engine block design. Thin oils are an absolute killer here. If you use 0W30 viscosity when your specific car actually needs 0W40, that thinner oil shears apart under high operating temperatures and completely loses its ability to maintain a protective film between metal surfaces. Modern American market oils have significantly less of something called ZDDP, which stands for zinc dialkyl-dithiaphosphate, because the EPA mandates this reduction to protect catalytic converters from contamination. That reduction directly hurts your engine internals. American gasoline blended with ethanol also dilutes your oil faster than pure gasoline ever would. Experts strongly suggest using thicker oils like Driven FR50 5W50 for engines that already show some scoring damage to help nurse them along. You can detect developing bore scoring through professional oil analysis that reveals elevated aluminum and silicon levels in your used oil sample. Getting a bore scope inspection performed at an independent Porsche specialist shop costs between $200 and $500 and shows you exactly what condition your cylinder walls are actually in. Number 2 is the infamous IMS bearing failure. This is the single issue that terrifies every M96 and M97 engine owner across America. The intermediate shaft bearing supports the shaft that drives your camshafts and keeps valve timing accurate. This bearing appears in 1997 through 2008 model year Boxsters, Caymans, and 911 variants. Here is the genuinely scary part about this component. This bearing is completely sealed from birth and relies entirely on its own internal grease supply instead of circulating engine oil. Over time, that factory grease inevitably breaks down from heat cycles. If your overall oil quality is poor, or your oil level drops below optimal, contaminants in the oil accelerate bearing wear dramatically. When this bearing eventually fails catastrophically, sharp metal chunks get thrown directly into the running engine. Your timing chain can skip teeth or slip entirely. Valves can collide violently with pistons. The complete engine can totally self-destruct in seconds. Repairing this type of catastrophic engine damage in the United States costs well over $20,000 for a complete full engine rebuild. Many American Porsche owners report IMS bearing failures occurring between 50,000 and 80,000 miles on the odometer. A significant portion of these documented failures connect directly to infrequent oil changes or using non-synthetic conventional oils instead of proper synthetics. Using Porsche-approved full synthetic oils like Mobil 1 0W40 definitely helps protect this critical bearing. Changing your oil every 5,000 miles instead of following the factory-recommended 10,000-mile interval makes a measurable difference in bearing longevity. Aftermarket preventative solutions like LN Engineering retrofit bearing kits give you valuable extra protection and peace of mind if you plan to keep your car long-term. Number 1, the ultimate engine killer that takes out more Porsches than any other single cause is spun rod bearings from oil starvation. This represents the number 1 top failure mode in 996, 986, 997, and 987 generation engines. When you corner aggressively, like at an autocross event in the southeast, or pushing hard on a challenging road course like Road Atlanta or Virginia International Raceway, oil rapidly sloshes away from the pickup tube in the sump. For just a brief moment lasting perhaps a second or two, your connecting rod bearings receive absolutely no oil flow whatsoever. They overheat almost instantly from the friction. They seize against the crankshaft journal. They spin in place and destroy themselves completely. Your connecting rods break. Your engine is completely finished. Lightweight, low-viscosity oils make this catastrophic scenario significantly worse because they aerate and foam aggressively under high lateral G-forces. That foam substantially reduces how much actual liquid oil is available to protect bearings. Overfilling with inappropriate oil can also simultaneously overload your AOS and pull excess oil into the intake manifold. For serious track days, use specifically formulated thicker racing oils, like Modal 300V 10W60. Deliberately overfill by approximately 1 quart after letting the car settle completely overnight. Installing a deep sump or internal baffling system like Hartec or X51 style performance units cost between $500 and $1,000 and physically keeps oil positioned where it needs to be during sustained hard cornering maneuvers. During cold American winters, switching to 5W50 viscosity gives you improved cold startup flow while still providing robust protection during hot track sessions. Now, let me tell you exactly which specific oils you must avoid. Excessively thin viscosities like 0W20 or generic non-approved 5W30 formulations fail completely at sustained high temperatures. On a scorching summer track day in the American South, thin oil essentially transforms into something approaching water consistency. Your rod bearings spin, your engine dies. Using generic 5W30 from a random quick lube shop in a 997 can cause visible bore scoring damage within just 10,000 miles of driving. For classic air-cooled Porsches, modern low ZDDP content oils are essentially poison for the valve train. Those flat tappet engines desperately need at least 1,200 parts per million of ZDDP for adequate cam lobe and lifter protection. Current American retail oils carrying SM or SN ratings contain only around 800 parts per million, specifically to protect emission system catalytic converters from zinc contamination. In a powerful 930 turbo, this inadequate protection flattens your cam lobes and drops valves into cylinders. Always use high ZDDP content oils like Brad Penn or Valvoline VR Racing for those classic engines. Excessively thick oils used in cold climates represent another common destructive mistake. Porsche officially recommends 20W50 viscosity for air-cooled models, but during a sub-zero Midwest winter, that heavy oil flows like cold molasses. Your engine runs essentially dry at cold startup before the thick oil finally reaches critical upper engine components. For specific oil recommendations that work, air-cooled classics perform excellently with Mobil 1 15W50 used year-round in moderate climates, or Driven DT50 15W50 for properly broken-in engines. In genuinely cold regions, switch to 10W60 full synthetic. Water-cooled engines, including the 996, 997, Boxster, and Cayenne, run optimally on Mobil 1 0W40 carrying official A40 approval. This oil is readily available at AutoZone locations nationwide. For dedicated track use, Modal 300V 10W60 remains the enthusiast favorite choice. Modern turbocharged Porsche models, including the 991, 992, Macan, and Cayenne, require Mobil 1 0W40 or ESP Formula 0W30 for proper protection. Liquimoly Leichtlauf 5W40 offers excellent protection as an alternative. Change your oil every 5,000 to 7,500 miles because American ethanol blended gasoline dilutes oil faster than European fuel does. Send used oil samples to Blackstone Labs for around $30 to check for concerning wear metal levels in your engine. Always use top-tier rated gasoline and quality OEM specification filters from Mala or MAN for best results.